Hi guys, Ian living in the Philippines. So what I'll be showing you now is what I do with the leftovers from a salad that my wife made at lunchtime. So I'll show you salad in a minute. So I call these salad toasties. So this will be my evening meal. So I normally like snacks. So let's get on with it. So you probably won't see my face again. Lucky you. So what I'll do, I'll just show you quick how I do my salad toasties. So this is the salad my wife made at lunchtime. So we have lettuce, grated cheese, cheddar cheese, tomatoes, cucumber, and onion with salad cream. So that's what was left over from lunchtime. So what I normally do is hello, me again. I do sandwiches, but I thought I'd do toasties this time. So what I'll be doing is doing some toast with this. So you guys, you know me. So the gardenia bread. So we'll need 4 slices of that. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 slices of bread. So we'll wrap that up. Stop the little animals getting in there. Right. What we need to do, toast. So we'll put 2 slices in first. Uno, dos. And we'll do them. As always, my anchor butter, the spreadable one. If you watched my video the other day, when I went to Robinson, I was talking about this one. They didn't have this one there the other day, but they have another one that's got just the wrapper. That's harder. This is the spreadable one. So what I'll be doing is, first 2 slices of toast, adding then 2 slices or one slice of this sliced cheese to each piece. I'll put that in the microwave and melt the cheese. So let me just take these out. So all these ingredients you can get also from the stores here. So there we go. 1 slice of morella. And the second one, so what I'll do is, I just mentioned, I'll put that on the toast and I'll melt the cheese. So, put that back up like that, throw that paper away. So we're just waiting for the toast there to get brown. So put that back in its bag. I find that if you put them in these, they're normally freezer bags, I think. If you put them in there, so there we go. Did you hear that, guys? So nice brown toast. So put them in there like that. Stick the other 2 in as well. I won't put them down yet. So now, put a nice layer of butter on the toast. So I'll move that out the way here. Here we go. This is going to taste good. This is going to taste good. So put that back there like that. So we just lay the cheese then on the toast. Like that. And we'll stick them in the microwave here. La 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 la. So I'll put it on around 2 minutes. We won't need that much. And while that's on, do the next toast. So I'm looking forward to this. My mouth's watering already. Yeah, like I said, normally I do sandwiches with packet crisps. But if I do these toasties, you'll see if you go to these Western style restaurants, They do like these toasty things, or with the French bread, the rolls. So we'll have to watch here. Oh, 2 minutes too long. You don't want to. All right, hang on. I'm just looking, guys, at the toast. Let's have a look. Yeah, I think that's okay. So here we have then the cheese is melted on the toast. So I'll get. Oh wait, I need another plate. Hang on, guys. Hang on, guys. There we go. And they're done. So like that. So we'll butter them also. So can't even remember what I had for lunch. What did I have for lunch? Fried pork. Fried pork with brownies. Exactly, brownies. Right. We'll then put this salad onto the melted cheese here. So let's get some of this lettuce. So can you see that? So we have lettuce, boiled egg, tomato, onion, and then a salad cream dressing bought from BritBox. So you will hear that name quite a lot. A lot of my things is from BritBox. So let's use this. So there's still a little bit of lettuce in it. Oh, come on. Come on, stick that on there as well. So a bit of onion. So guys, so then we have the toast, melted cheese, and then the salad then on there. So what I'll do then, these two, lay them on there like that, and that one there on like that, and we're done. Voila! 2 salad toasties. So guys, let's eat. I'll catch you on the next one. Bye. See you guys.